The samurai Yo Jumbo is reporting for bodyguard duty.
Hey, a wimp like John needs protection.
I'm here to protect John from evil.
And also tooth decay.
Huh?
Garfield, I'm going to take some lessons in the martial arts.
Wait, Yo Jumbo will see if it's safe.
Seems to be no danger here.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Sakamoto School of the Martial Arts. I am Sakamoto-san.
I want to learn to defend myself. I want to tap my inner strength. I want to feel the power of the universe within me. I want to...
Oh, you want to impress pretty lady who thinks you are a wimp. Very well. Come, I shall show you some basic techniques.
Notice a pattern emerging?
To channel your inner strength, it's necessary that you assume the stuffed vulture position.
Stuffed vulture. Okay, tell me how.
Okay, you crouch and put your left arm behind your back, then shift your weight to the right and see what's left.
I wonder how John's making out. Gee, I don't know why, but somehow John reminds me of a stuffed vulture.
You have done well, my son.
How can you say that?
You're still alive.